where they happen now, people they say, do you rather cry inside your Rolls Royce or inside your Lamborghini or inside your Ferrari or your G-Wagon? You go rather laugh inside your Keke. Funny enough, some people with their Keke can be very happy. I've seen some people where be say they don't get anything, but you need to see the joy, the peace where they get. And I've seen some rich people where be say, ha, they know they smile.
Meanwhile,
they know they laugh.
Meanwhile, this life, guys, it get some people will be saying there's a being endure.
Yeah.
You see that Rolls Royce where they do so.
They go endure the pain.
Anything where they make them cry.
They will endure.
They go endure. You know, they just obey the rules and regulation.
Okay.
You understand? They no say. Yeah, normally they no need day. So if you be person will be say you don't choose, you cannot eat your cake and have it back. If you don't choose, okay, I want to enter this marriage or this place because of interest.
Okay.
So if you enter there, if they tell you say stand with one leg, you stand with one leg. So you know go come now, come see the form Galadima. Inside
when say, you know say now something carry you go there and you get the thing
the sister one leg, you say what do you mean? I can you be telling me to start with one leg? I when I have two legs I have to start with my two legs. You start with one leg. Now later you call the well and say sir please can I
use that leg?
If you have to already don't be saying you don't enter finish now you won't come the changer.
Yeah,
because the reason why some people they even choose this to cry for inside Rolls Royce because they don't see where a person is there for inside Keke see they cry.
Okay.
Go trenches now, go see where man they beat woman. You not get to.
You see the beat?
Yes.
What you don't get?
The person still inside Keke they cry.
They cry. Okay.
So that kind of person now, if you see Rolls Royce when go for cry, you tell them say you know enter.
I don't be lying.
When already they see
they see shake inside Keke.
You
That's
understand?
true.
So in life, you guys, it be so.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you, and happy Sunday to everybody when they hear my voice this lovely, amazing Sunday. Oh my God. How your Sunday they go now? You know how you they be every Sunday evening. We must stay here to make sure say we enjoy our evening. All right. For people who join us now, the station with Sabi 89.9 Yanga FM. Now here we there. The show na Comedy Clinic. Yeah. Today na Sunday number 19 day inside the month of October 2025. And just like you know, every Sunday I go day here myself. Ruggedpastor, I'm a sugar league logo. And that is what the fine ladies call me. Another day alone. And they bring in amazing superstars comedians to come there with us. You know how it be. For me, we don't they follow the show. You know, say no dull moment. It always be vibe. 100% vibe. So trust me, today it go be overload, overdose. You know why? Because now one of Nigeria's finest comedian, and I go there with us today. If you don't know this name and the comedy business, maybe I don't know where you did. Ladies and gentlemen, in fact, just tell somebody to join you. Not enjoy the show alone because it go too sweet. All right, so I tell somebody to join you. All right, tell like 2 or 3 persons say I made a tune into 89.9 Yanga FM. Station where we enjoy ourselves. All right, so after now, I go introduce the comedian with me inside the house, and not be only good day. Another amazing superstar, Nollywood actress, go also there with us. Don't worry. I don't say somebody that they will say, who be that? Ruggedpastor they talk. No worry. After now, I go introduce them proper. You there with me? No worry. All right. But we enjoy some music when we come back. I will go start the show, man. Don't go nowhere. 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't show back. That's 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here we there. Comedy Clinic, not the show. You know, as it be no dull moment. Anytime we day here. Today na Sunday, 19th day inside the month of October 2025. Christmas done there by the corner like this. So like I tell you, you can start buying things so that you don't go. Don't be say that minute you can't rush. Rushing is not good. You understand now? All right, Ruggedpastor. Now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar Ligi Lager. And that is if you are a fine woman. Only fine women. 19 minutes don't take waka live sis. You know, as it be, we go there here from now till 8 p.m. So relax yourself. Enjoy the show because it go make sense. I tell you, say, I get one of Nigeria's finest comedian. This guy don't try for the industry. Oh my God. For those of you who are familiar with entertainment, you should know him. That man we don't try, don't pay in dues, he don't try for the industry. When I mean don't try. Not be today, and he's still doing well for himself. Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to introduce to you the one and only MC Shakara.
Yeah, all good.
Shakara, nice to see you again. Don't tell.
Good to be here. Good to be here, man. I don't know. Anytime we introduce me like this, when I don't try now. See, they try for this.
But they tried. I don't try.
Yes,
you don't.
try.
At least you don't. You don't reach. You don't pass 50 years for the industry now.
Bless you. You see the carry yourself come from. So I don't pass. I pass 20 years. Yes, now.
Wow, that means no be play. No be play.
But we thank God we are here. We thank God a lot of things don't go down.
Don't happen.
Yes, but we are here.
If I don't say question when people go to ask now, say where MC Shakara they say because at the point people say we can't see. We not going to see MC Shakara. We will see everywhere for the whole, industry.
Outside cost now. You don't know say outside cost.
It's
for
outside
you,
cost.
outside cost. So for you to come out these days now, you have to plan yourself. You know they just carry the waste fuel. You carry motor they drive.
They go.
So you want me to see you everywhere. Then they do show for go hotel. You go drive. Go. Then they do show for here. You go. You just at a point. You know say those days when we move well for the industry, they always dey everywhere.
Yeah.
Some say we dey make money like that. Now just
maybe we know son a day.
Yeah, maybe they say you dey. If you show the one way concern you, the one way no concern you.
You go appear.
You go just appear. You go dey do interview left, right, and center.
Yeah.
So you get where man, you go live life rich. You don't know say at a point you are no longer living for yourself. Before, if you hungry, now if you see food, fine. If you no see food, now whether you know they hungry. People wey dey depend on you dey hungry.
Like wife and children.
Yes, now they hungry now. You don't understand. So you don't need to hungry before you even find money now again. Like you understand?
Okay.
When we dey much younger, when they grow up, teenage life, 20 something years, all those kinds of things.
Yeah.
Any money we get now your money.
Yeah.
Anything you buy Jesus. Now, if you get money, that money not be your own.
No be your own now. You go first settle family.
Now family money, you understand? So now you go just know what you go chop from inside.
No be lie. Wow. For those of you who know, MC Shakara na man wey be say now one of the comedians we don't try for the industry. And for people who don't know, he reading a Kenneth. Yeah, I get him now.
Yes,
Kenneth
Aberia,
yeah, from Delta State.
Yes, that name means let's live together.
Oh, very nice name. So what you come bring the name MC Shakara?
Now from secondary school now, they don't tell you. Because my secondary school, I grew up in Jos, Plateau State.
Okay.
Yeah, so my school, they normal short knicker and check shirts with white sauce. So me, I always love football right from childhood. Yeah, because my uncle then where they stay with us, they play ball.
Oh.
Yeah, so they follow and they go training, even they get my chance, they pan hole in boots. You understand? So in one white football hose, let me call the way I go school.
Oh.
So it's very long, you'll be like leggings. And then I was very lanky, I was very slim. I've always been tall. My mates, they're my top past there.
You know, sir, I they fear to come close to you.
No, you won't be say you are down to earth.
My
you
brother.
You are down to
but
earth.
I'm still growing.
You are
I'm
very
still
close.
growing.
You
know where I
close
come from. We know the rush growth.
That song where they sing, who they talk, waiting God no talk. I know they hear waiting devil talk. Not be short for short people. Now don't let's hear waiting talk. Now they hear.
Oh my God! but the good thing is that's why God is amazing.
Yeah. So now that time, if I dey waka, I be like I dey catwalk because I slim, my socks long. The enter inside my neck, I be like I wear leggings, and I always walk very slow. So they call me Shakara boy. Your Shakara too much. Your Shakara too much. So when I come begin they do yabbing for school. Now yabbing I start comedy. Where two people go face each other begin yab. You know, like this, all those yapping. I was very good. So at the point that me call the tell they say, me they no call me Shakara boy again. Me they remove the boy because that time, you know, when boys don't reach stage where we say we don't like us. You go feel like say that they belittle you. Say Shakara boy.
Shakara
No. Police just say Shakara.
Yeah.
So it was later me myself can't add MC to them.
Okay, when you start comedy.
Yeah, when I start to the MC event, in those days me I don't know. I think say if you no put MC, they no go no say the MC. I don't know say even if your name is Frederick, you can say MC events.
Oh.
You put MC Shakara.
MC Shakara.
Yes.
That's a good one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you don't hear them. That is MC Shakara. We get a lot to talk about today on top the show because I know some people going to say, you don't say we never see MC Shakara. You go tell us we are in the audience why. But for now, make I sharply drop the topic we'll go discuss today. I believe say everybody with the social media go on they hear one slogan now. I said, do you rather cry in Rolls Royce or laugh in Keke na Pepe? All right, now what do we want to talk about today? We're not using anybody as a case study anyway. All right, because apart from somebody's story, a lot of people they cry inside Rolls Royce, and some people they laugh, they get peace inside Keke. So you go tell us the one where you feel say now it makes sense pass. Whether you too you go prefer to laugh inside Keke, get your peace of mind, or make it the Rolls Royce. They say, oh my God. All right, when they come back, no get anywhere. 89.9 Yanga FM. See 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here we did the show on a comedy clinic, and of course, Ruggedpastor. Now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar. That is if you're a fine woman. All right, check your time. That's 6:33 right there. Okay, I sit here with one of Nigeria's finest comedian, MC Shakara. We're here on top of the show. Like I tell you, tell somebody to join you because it go make sense. Say now only you go enjoy this overdose laughter this evening. Okay, because Mr. Shakara man will be say, don't worry, you funny, and even who funny no say you funny. Love it today. All right, before I go ask him one question within my mind, I go like to ask him about what will be our topic today. To cry inside Rolls Royce or Lamborghini, or to the laugh with peace of mind inside Keke na Pepe. MC Shakara, which one way you feel say it make more sense for you?
If the question come to me, my life already answer the question tire because if like say all my life I don't dey cry inside Keke.
Wait.
No.
You don't cry inside Keke all your life till now. You see the cry inside Keke till now.
It just be like say okay maybe somebody come put AC inside the Keke.
Inside the Keke? But you see inside the Keke?
Yes, so come cover the side of the Keke. You know, come put some kind small chops
the Keke
inside. That's it inside the Keke, just the soft. You understand? If to say I don't the Lamborghini for the Banana Island, by now, you know.
So why you choose today inside the Keke without
now life
the Lamborghini?
Put me inside the Keke. And again, let me tell you, I don't even choose this very topic. At a point in my life, I met a very big lady that was very wealthy, you know.
Okay.
Yes. But now don't be the kind.
Are you for there inside Lamborghini?
Yes, now.
Wow. You know,
she be this kind of person. We see she get hot temper.
Ooh.
For my front like this, she go down insult like insult driver, insult everybody. She she don't flare up. She don't,
Yeah.
But we just come be like say we like each other. Now I call myself say, man,
you don't go fit
you see this Lamborghini.
This Lamborghini.
That time I see they grow for the industry.
Okay.
So I get every reason to dive the offer.
Yeah.
You understand? Based on say everywhere good.
Yeah.
Ha. I look myself. I go inside, go enter inside my Keke, man. You're the inside. You understand? Because me, I prefer my peace of mind.
Peace of mind?
That period, she never raised her voice at me.
You, yeah.
But the way she behave to everybody, to
where
her,
they
to
around
her
them.
staff,
So
them,
you just feel say go reach you.
even to her elder brother. If you see where you pack and give the guy.
Wow.
Say that time for classroom where they don't flog everybody one call like this.
He go reach you.
Just to say or you enter house where you small, they beat your junior brother. If you know package yourself well, you don't do anything. If you don't behave well,
the flog go reach you.
Now say okay, this one be say be like this. I just use style, distance. Now start take
come on for
myself. So me, I prefer my peace of mind. Yeah. If not me, but for women, I don't know what be their motivation where they take choose this thing. So I know.
But me, say women like soft life.
Yeah, women like soft life. Every woman likes soft life, but you get women where they say they persevere.
The 50 days inside their Keke.
Yeah, so you get women where you go offer. You know, let me use myself as an example. One day for that Aja side, rain won't follow. And he drives the car. I can't see one lady, one babe. You know, I just stop, say, make her
carry out.
No, she said, no, man, no want to say she go there. I said, rain go beat you. She said, no problem.
Are you serious?
I said, in case you are scared, it's me. You know, I give her the assurance, everything.
Say everything like right.
She said, I think I know you say, but I'm okay. Like,
wow.
Which every other girl or some other girls
go one jumping.
So you get some ladies they're different. Some people they just leave them the way they did. They don't want the story where to follow later.
Oh my God. All right, you know here we sitting here 89.9 Yanga FM. I shock for a person like MC Shakara will be saying now one of the biggest comedians where we don't get for this country. Still they don't saying they sign Keke. Now me say I don't even know we are good. Now me say we are good there. The first Shakara de Keke. We are there. Maybe I still they sign wheelbarrow.
No, you know they wheelbarrow now. You are anchoring one of the biggest evening show for the whole Nigeria to the talk now. So you're a big boy.
Oh my God. All right. Make I take that one. Thank you for that compliment.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that reminds me, they nominate me for the Humor Award as the best comedian, the best radio presenter of the year.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice one.
So glory to God.
Nice one.
And I know let's tell people say in life now journey. Life now process. I was sharing to young boys that they say they want to be like me. I said then you have to start small but dream big. I know years back when I beg radio stations, say make them give me even if na 5 minutes to talk. You understand? But right now we don't need that level again. So life now process.
Okay, let me please. Say I don't know. I don't get problem with motivational speakers. But most of the saying way that they give. Okay. Even though we take motivate your people now self. They always start small. If you get money and you want
start big.
Start small.
You know, say the first radio where I work for this country, 2 years free of charge, they don't pay me. I work for free.
Okay. You know, get choice that time now. Person we want start
as a graduate, I just graduate.
Oh, yeah, person we just graduate now. Today, you can't get opportunity to come present for your guy FM.
Okay.
Or for Max FM. You can't tell us say go and start small. Go and look for one radio station in Kafanchan and just start small. When I am seeing a big opportunity. Because all this saying and motivation, but now so they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. No, it begins with your transport.
Abi.
You know transport. I want
to move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when they come back, now see 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Let us know you would like to cry inside your Rolls Royce as a billionaire. You are crying secretly or openly, because most billionaires they cry secretly. All right, or you would like to get peace of mind. They laugh, they happy inside your Keke na pepe. The number to send us your message, only your WhatsApp message na 0904 821 3013. Make a call up again 0904 821 3013. Now the number for you to send us your message. Don't forget, say I here with one of Nigeria's finest comedian, MC Shakara. And they stay there with us. Not go nowhere. It's 89.9 Yanga FM. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't show back now. See 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here we there. All right, the show now comedy clinic. We are with the cure high blood pressure. So in case you get person where they get high blood pressure, tell us to make it tune in now. Because by the time he laugh, God go heal him. Our work here now to just do the practical side, and our Papa God to do the healing. You understand? Somebody don't testify before, say, I listen to your show, and then we are the laugh. My high blood pressure disappear. I say, glory be to God. Ruggedpastor, my name, call me I'm a sugar, ligi, logo, laga. That is if you're a fine woman. And I did here with one of Nigeria's finest comedian, MC Shakara. He's still there with me inside the building. Check your time. I go see I'm 10 minutes remain. Make 7 o'clock. Sit down. Crossing leg, the choboli and fish with shade mineral. All right. For people who join us, you don't know what we talk about. We ask you based on the popular trend where they happen now. People they say, do you rather cry inside your Rolls Royce or inside your Lamborghini or inside your Ferrari or your G-Wagon? Or you go rather laugh inside your Keke? Funny enough, some people with their Keke can be very happy. I've seen some people where be say they don't get anything, but you need to see the joy, the peace where they get. And I've seen some rich people where be say, they know they smile.
Meanwhile,
they know they laugh.
Meanwhile, this life, guys, it gets some people will be saying there's a being endure.
Yeah.
You see that? Rolls Royce where they do so.
They go endure the pain.
Anything where they make them cry.
They will endure.
They go endure. You know, they just obey the rules and regulation.
Okay.
You understand? They no say normally they no need. So if you be person will be say you don't choose, you cannot eat your cake and have it back. If you don't choose, okay, I want to enter this marriage or this place because of interest.
Okay.
So if you enter there, if they tell you say stand with one leg, you stand with one leg. So you know go come now, come see the form Galadima inside.
When you know say now something carry you go there, and you dey get the thing.
They say stand with one leg. You say what do you mean? How can you be telling me to stand with one leg? When I have 2 legs, I have to stand with my 2 legs. You stand with one leg. Now later you call the well and say, sir, please can I
use that leg?
If you have to already, don't be saying you don't enter finish now. You won't come the changer. Yeah. Because the reason why some people they even choose this to cry for inside Rolls Royce because they don't see where person is there for inside Keke see they cry.
Okay.
Go trenches now. Go see where man they beat woman. You not get to.
You see the beat?
Yes.
Why you don't get?
If person still inside Keke they cry.
They cry. Okay.
So that kind of person now, if you see Rolls Royce when go for cry, you tell them say make you no enter.
I don't be lying.
When already they see
they see shake inside Keke.
You
That's
understand?
True.
So in life, you guys, so guys, if you watch social media very well, you could see say you hardly see my controversy.
Yeah, I saw they even we go there.
Or see me comments say even if I see where they beat thief, say this person, I dey see the video like this. For me to comment on that say thief, because I don't know your story. I don't know how you take happen this place. Even sometimes they go post say this one prostitute, this one like this. So I don't know where this girl life they start. I don't know. So for me, my own I have to look and pass.
Yeah.
Leave the remaining for God.
For God.
Man,
I think you be one of the people who win the AY Open mic.
That
was years back. I think that the first, no, be the first set now.
Be the first, in fact, the very first edition.
Okay.
Now we contest.
Okay.
Me, Sheilo, and Lenu, Emeka Smith, Malan Spencer, you know, and late Pawi, MC Pawi is late now. May God bless his soul, wherever he is. So we do that one. Sheyi come, na me and Sheyi come the final.
Sheyi come win.
He can't win. So the thing is, say if you lose, you're allowed to come back for the next edition.
Okay.
To still come contest but again. Winner already win. So winner go come that day as special guest.
Okay.
So that second one will come. Go dey backstage. We can see where they push him for front.
Okay.
When sit down as
winner,
as champion, special guest. Sit down with the big boys there. Them JD, them some AY, you know. You sit down with them. So when that thing why I see from there, I say no. Me and this guy, we came here. The last edition. We did backstage, the battle this thing. Today now rock on the bar, see where this guy sit down as special guest of honor.
Chai.
Now I say today, comedy go crash. You know, say that one we drag that me and she we battle that final. But that my edition. Now flawless.
Now I dey tell you.
If I come stage like this, I dey freestyle now.
Okay.
I say when I come, I say, "Shall you this play?" We say, "I go shift small because you shift because now go now me and you now go sit down for this place." All these guys, they don't, you know, I just pack.
Wow.
Me and Elenu reach final. You never take 2 minutes. Bah! They don't declare me winner.
Yeah, nice one. Will they come there? We go talk about her because people don't know the relationship between you and AY. We make AY they always put you for virtually all his shows. But recently, whenever they see you for AY live. But okay. Will they come? When we come there? Yeah, will they come there? Will they come there? Who enter this break? Don't get away at 9.9. Yanga FM. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't come back now. See at 9.9. Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. And here we do Comedy Clinic. Now the show for people when they join us, you don't miss. You don't miss. Okay, sharply 10 minutes. Now I don't take like this. Waka leave the hour of 7. Okay. In case you don't know, let me still remind you today is Sunday number 19 day inside the month of October 2025. Ruggedpastor. And now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar, leggy, laga, logo. And that is if you're a fine woman. And I don't do alone. I did one of Nigeria's finest comedian, MC Shakara. All right. Shakara, you want to tell me one time. See your mama, they listen to my show that year.
Yes.
How she did that?
Yes, they listen. Now me even can't stop herself.
Now you stop her?
No, I not besides stop her. I want her to say, make she calm down. The way that my guy they do leggy, show leggy, I'm a leggy. Before you call leggy, old mama, I say mama, but she still dey listen.
Oh my God!
I know say as you don't come here now, if I find out,
she go follow me come.
Yes, sir.
Do you know that? This is where you talk, eh?
Your fans for Ikorodu no try am.
No be play. Do you know that some men go drive come find me?
Okay.
Say they want to see that guy want to take their wife. Say they go wake up for morning, the wife go to shout, oh my leg, I'm a sugar, leg.
You know,
I saw that thing for radio.
You know, that's actually the fun of entertainment.
Yeah. See, wahala too much. You need to make people happy.
For you to be able to, for you to be able to buy Nigerian minds for free.
For free, yeah.
Nobody one way people they go they pay for say okay,
true.
They with me. This one for free. Nigerians like you like that.
Yeah, true.
Half of your life problem is solved.
True.
They don't like you better because Nigerians they're really quick. Everybody all my land with the kettle.
Let me lie. Oh my God. All right, we don't enter the second hour of the show. Now still Comedy Clinic, but we'll get another topic at this hour. And I would like to quickly drop the topic, because of time. We don't really get enough time because we have a lot to talk with MC Shakara. All right, this lady, they cry. And why is she crying? She said, I broke up with my man after 3 years into a relationship. Said the guy come back, carry everything where he buy for him, including phones, everything. Cars, everything we buy for them. And a lot of people are saying Now what if fit you now? You break the guy heart. What do you expect? And some people they thought say na poverty mentality. Now ain't go make a man go collect things wey buy for a woman after breakup. So I would like to ask you, Shakara, what do you think from this story? What is your perspective?
Now be that way. There is one proverb wey they give for my language. Ababo mi ore, ababo mi okpo. You carry empty and come.
You carry empty and come.
That's why sometimes some of these guys, they go enter relationship.
Carry your own things come. Bring things for table.
Materials.
Abi.
You understand? So that when a relationship crash, everybody picking your own materials.
Somebody even go talk something. Person say, if the guy don't collect his way buy from you, you go collect the ones way buy from him. So that he go be one.
So.
But you know if you say the guy no try, say that one now somebody like you now, big boy. Someone like you that is made now.
You know, say, bring your voice down. Make no go scare my head pass away. What don't be made.
Okay, person of your status.
My style,
you understand?
Like that.
And you break up with a girl. Can you do such a thing? Going back to collect his way buy for him, even if she break your heart in a bad way.
You know, say we don't be donor in the past very well. Don't know how to guess. Because most of these guys where they live well for Nigeria, they are living on donors. People will donate, and most of these donors come from married men. If they say may they ban cheating for Nigeria, say any married man
we cheat,
they go to jail, they ban cheating. Oh boy, the poverty will come from girls.
Are you for it? Wow.
Both most of the big girls where you know. The rate of poverty we go you go come realize say all those babiala wey dey for road na fine girls na go dey sit down.
Are you for it?
The whole plate based on say married men no dey cheat again.
Wow.
Na me dey tell you this thing.
So that means your prayer request is for married men to keep cheating.
Na be that this thing. See,
wow.
People wey be say you know say e get where man go reach. He go don look say okay, I don already marry. Children don't dey. So if I figure where I feel enjoy corner marking. Then how they call am corner marking for so I go down dey do small thing there.
Okay, yeah.
And the reason why they continue to pay, they'll be like maga because a guy you know go pay well. That one go on raise voice.
Okay.
And you go tell say bring your voice.
Calm down, bring it down. You know, I'm mother here.
You understand that kind of thing?
Yeah.
You understand? So maybe they enjoy that privilege. So for me, for your question now, me no go fit. Like I call myself donor for the past. All my relationship.
You have been donating.
And I want for you.
Child.
Now will be benevolent. It depends on how you take.
You're the generous boyfriend.
How you take day. You understand? You know me, I be working. My heart gets the quick.
Win
am. You understand? The guy you just take do some things. I don't day like this where we say. I dey find money to complete money. You know that kind of way we say.
You hold small money, you want complete and then use and do something.
Man, use and do something. The guy wey I dey deal with that time, come cry, come say, see you. Wait. I can't go come up from inside that money again.
When you dey find money on top,
yes.
Can't give her. You are really a donor.
At the end of the day, she still leave you. Yes, now.
To a higher donor.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, is it that you stop donating? Or
let me tell you, no matter the level where you did for life.
Person must donate past you.
Oh, yes. You don't be better person. Are you sympathizing with me?
I'm trying to feel for you because it's like we are your donor. You get where I reach, so she needed a higher donor.
Where I feel bad reach before you make me go feel bad. That's it,
oh
my God! I don't carry go events.
Chai.
You understand? So one of my chairman friend, I don't know say don't send person. Send one of a boy.
May go bring out.
What this guy give me attitude?
Chai.
You know, the way body dey hot, you don't even wait. Moku come up for the event.
Are you serious?
Go so that she will call the man later.
Chai.
She just want discharge. She says,
"You'll leave you."
Do one kind. She want go. I say, okay, oh yeah, take it, book cab. They go house. They go my place.
You don't know it's not your house.
She say no. Say she won't go and say. And later now come find out. this thing.
You
know, say that my guy, one of his boy, my friend, where? They call they tell me, say, oh boy, see what he play. I see that. You don't say before you go to say you don't see, you don't. I've seen it all. I'm a street boy. You don't even know, say you never even reach anywhere. That girl we actually did. She came all the way from Warrior.
Wow. Come
there with me for that, like some days going to be. Then she do perform that magic. I shock.
So that's so senior man take collect am.
You know collect am. That one date you.
Okay, just go collect from senior man. Can't come back.
Yes,
but as he come back, he still accept am.
As he come back,
he accept am back.
Me don't get
as
information. No. Me don't get information. See what he play. Understand? So myself I call just. I don't want act in a certain way. We be say. He go reach my chairman side.
Say you verse.
The verse, all those kind of
make chairman don't avoid you.
Make chairman don't avoid me because he they give me job.
No be like.
You understand? So me just come do one kind, just lock up play along small. I should go worry like this. And before she reach for herself, her number don't.
You don't delete number. She know what time at all.
No.
She know what time because even if you bring them back, she should see another chairman.
Wait. Now, so if I get now, or I get wife now, I can't reach one place now. I can't go see Rihanna. Based on say Rihanna, big person, money, everything. I can't
leave person way.
My woman, I can't go say.
It don't make sense now.
Meanwhile, this thing I just example. It never possible for this woman to like you when no day for a level.
I see.
See,
they are
there now. For you to see Nicki Minaj.
Don't say like you just, only film they say a movie. You
don't know say
Nollywood film.
But you know say get we go tell you say you one day I will be with Jay-Z. Know that how?
Yes so. One girl shocked me one day. He just tell me say see this chairman. Say go. You know the 3 weeks I said with the chairman.
Let me they tell you. You now go the dream now say you one day get that woman way big way say I will deal with them.
Let me play.
Except you just go to make money, reach her level. Then you can deal with her. But guy, if you carry, I guess now they carry empty account, no money. They carry empty pocket, go club. They'll come back drunk.
Yeah.
For you.
Okay, they go carry empty pocket, go club. They'll come back drunk.
You as a guy, try him.
You go carry empty pocket, come back.
You come back sad.
Waiting man, do man.
You come back sad.
Oh my God.
One drink like this,
you don't see.
You come back sad.
But say for all those can places, if you just see person say, but can I talk?
Except now who you know, person you are him there where you know if you don't go take like that people say, can I? Okay. You know say when man warn you as a fellow man, now you know say life just start. Your fellow guy man warn you say, oh boy, please don't try this.
Don't try that. Oh my God. All right, we come back. We see it here at 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi don't get anywhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't show back 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here we do Comedy Clinic, not the show. Check your time. 7:27. All right. We still here. Ruggedpastor, I'm a sugar leg lager. And my name is that. And of course, I'm here with MC Shakara.
One time.
One of Nigerian finest, biggest, tallest.
For that tallest, I go answer quick. You know this biggest. Don't come on many people for game.
One of
biggest. The biggest comedian. And whether they call you legend.
But you're not legend. You be legend now.
No, I never.
Can never reach legend.
Never reach legend. I be OG.
Okay, you know the A-list. You know B-list.
No, I know the B-list.
I know the B-list.
I'm an A-list comedian, but
okay, the A-list.
Yes, okay. But I know be legend now. People founding father. You get where you go.
Okay, I say A-list now. AY them.
I am there now. Yes, of course.
You there AY their level now.
Now what for you? I started comedy in Jos before I came to Lagos.
Okay.
When I do AY comedy night, I'm the first comedian to do stand-up comedy show for Jos.
Wow.
So that means
maybe
that means I
or some of them.
No, some of them.
So you start before some of them.
Yes, now. Go Osama page. Osama don't tell the story
wow.
about how everything. I will not take the praise, but he did, and I appreciate him for acknowledging me as the frontliners. One who gave him the first. Now me first pay Osama money.
For comedy?
For comedy money. First 400 naira we receive. Now me pay.
400 naira?
Yes, now church events now. They give two of us 1K. I call Lucas and say, okay, now me bring you.
You can't give her 400, you can't charge 600. Oh my God. Okay, I be say we go to AY.
So the reason why I say I did A-list, before AY doing first AY live, me don't do Shakara and the gang for
Jaws.
Yes, but I come.
He come loyal.
Because say that he ain't get
platform for Lagos. And you did the Lagos platform.
Yes, now.
Because Lagos platform for industry are the biggest. Yeah. I always tell people, even when I enter Lagos, I was telling somebody, I say, I'll be one of the biggest brand for Port Harcourt. But when you call Lagos, you go need to call no say, man, you need to start somewhere because people they here where they hold and down. All right, but I would like to ask you, MC Shakara.
I deal with you.
Among all the comedians, who you go say don't add value for your life? As in, we don't really help you.
Okay. You know, say, me I be person will be saying, the way why they calculate and do my thing is very different from others.
Okay.
Now when you say help person, I will just...
Who don't support you? Okay, let me use the word support you for the industry part.
Nana, you don't. Nana, in fact,
because if you say people say never get the help.
I tell you, you don't make it easy for me. You don't make it easy for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Support me. I will say AY.
AY. Okay, for the open mind.
Now the platform, the AY platform, because two people want to they forget for this my life. Who do me good and who do me bad.
Bad. Okay.
Yes, no be grudges. That's the way they preach for church. They know grudges, no grudges. Tell people not lie. No forget who do you bad so that you know make that mistake
again.
I know grudges.
Okay.
But you see this your face where you take wicked me that day. I know won't forget her.
So some comedians actually wicked you.
Now what for you? Plenty now.
For this Lagos,
you get when they do all those major events the way they do. Okay, na brand name. I know we on air.
Yeah, I'm no call
brand name.
Yeah.
You get one big brand where they always do comedy shows. Then, but because some certain comedian now they in charge.
Okay.
They do tour all over Nigeria, do everywhere. In fact, now one of the biggest communication giants for Nigeria.
I know them.
You understand? You know, so I no play any of their events. As I do comedy reach for this Nigeria.
Wow.
I no play one.
Why? You get personal problem with beef with anybody? I don't get
problem. Based on say the person where they there, where they in charge, they get beef with who if he say them oga.
Okay, you go inherit person, bro. Okay, you inherit person. Enemy.
We be say no consign me.
We no supposed consign you.
And the person self, no be say that my oga direct. Say in they help me. Now because say me I
use a platform
for a platform. Take them all by also. If the person never come in one day. Say I give you this event, they pay this money. Go, they go pay this money. No. Now me they also all my event by myself.
Wow.
In fact, the one way they say it's supposed to give me, where they say they go pay me. After the event, we can't go London, do the show for London, come back. Because they ask for that money, we'll do one for Nigeria.
Where you did the one for Nigeria?
Where he send me go. He said, I'm being great too. Yes, so now the end, I make you know call they see me for
okay. Now I make I not gonna see you for show.
Nah. So, Baba, I don't see 99. So as I did like this, 100 no be problem. You understand?
Wow.
But at the same time, in your enemy, can't they block me for anything where concerning show where he dey in charge. And for here, I know the thing from, but I don't use the platform to get name.
Yeah.
So now that name now, instead of me to come fight with my oga will give me platform. Say, why you know they carry me along? Why no. Okay. I rather carry as far as say you don't teach me how to fish. I rather carry my hook.
They fish small.
Go find other small places. Then go they put any small fish where I catch. I go roast and chop. You understand? But meanwhile, you did the beckon of a big river wey be big fish, the way if you bring me come say come put your hook here,
okay,
you know come dey do am again, but I no follow you fight. But I say see that first hook wey you give me for the platform, what they win this competition, man carry am go dey hustle.
The hustle.
Na so I call the. Then who be your enemy in your event? They block me. So I just come be like orphan.
You come like say don't dey here, don't dey here.
Yeah, because at a point now the two of them hold the industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, some clients they here, some clients they with these people, you know, like that. So bye-bye.
Oh man. Don't be small story.
It's plenty. It's plenty.
Don't be small story. Because I know say a lot of people will say, where I'm see Shakara. Some people come to actuality say you don't relocate. You understand? Because I know most of your guys them to relocate. Like, hey, that's another thing. Those on a set of open mic that time. A lot of them don't even day around again.
No, they don't go abroad now.
Yeah.
See, let me just give you a small story now. You know, say all of us will be friends. That open mic when I will be friends.
Like you, Sheila, Emeka Smith, Elenu.
Yeah.
Emeka Smith in London now.
Sheila na London and Nigeria now. Your family dey
Elenu dey London.
Elenu dey America.
Okay, Elenu dey America.
Our dream na to live abroad life. Yes, our dream na to live abroad life. But me I come notice say me no sabi corporate life. Because if you go abroad, you go dey work.
Okay.
And before you get good job where you go live good life, you go abroad, you must go school. Go school more again.
Yeah.
And me, I senior all of them. So I don't they calculate my age, and at the time we be say I go school finish, come settle down, come do all those live abroad life, and I know if they go work, go office, I know I know sabi do
like corporate,
yeah, like that. You understand? I might be a business person because for now, like this now they do business for Nigeria.
Okay. Wow.
Because I don't look at the end goal of going abroad, not to make money. Many people they go abroad when they call when they don't they old, can't retire, they come Nigeria. The money where they don't work, they come bring it. They come. Some go build eatery, some go build pure water factory or a bakery. Oh, one Sunday, some come they make palm oil and they put that for good package. Cause they do.
Yeah.
Because if this is the end goal of going abroad, apart from the fact say you go give your children better life, maybe they'll come get pali.
Yeah.
They live.
Come be citizen.
Come be citizen. If not the end goal with this, why not I did Nigeria here, quit myself? If I want open eatery for when I don't be 60, make I begin the
hustle
work
now.
towards them, open them down, they do them. Wow. So one of the reasons why I did single for long.
Okay.
They say I can't find a broad wife.
Okay, you can't find a broad wife.
Yes, let me tell you the truth. One of the reasons why 14 years of my life I dated 3 different girls all abroad, 2 UK, 1 America. 1 7 years, another 5 years. You know, all the years put together.
Yeah.
14 years.
Wow.
Because these guys who I call, so all them Elenu, would they stay the same flat for Surulere. So we always communicate.
I don't sleep for your house. That year,
yes,
when I come to you service for
Yes,
Surulere.
yes, now.
Me, a cappella.
Yeah.
And which other comedian carry us come? We always come sleep for your house
yes,
there.
They come. Not to become me, my door always they open.
Yeah. We don't even lock down that night.
Now the last person to enter. They lock door. Because me once I don't enter, no say people they come.
Yeah.
That's why I say live my life.
Chai.
But I don't say okay, me I don't want to go live abroad. Okay, make my wife
did
that side so that we I know say okay they could come born my children for abroad. Do you understand? That's just my youthful plan.
Okay.
But all the relationship where I do no one work.
That means God get another better plan.
So when
for
people
you.
They look me like say I don't this serious, say you go there at this age you never marry.
But you don't marry now.
I'm a little bit married.
Which are a little bit married again now?
Some people they like that.
But you get children now.
Yeah. Some people they like that. Some people they are married on the mainland.
But for island, they say go. Which one are you? Are you married in the mainland?
No, my own. I'm just a little bit married. I mean, maybe they don't do smarting for my head. They don't do smarting.
Okay, now your head they do smarting.
Any girl they don't do smarting for my head. Just run, just no say.
The thing no pure.
So basically, that's just a summary of
everything.
Funny enough, I happy say I even talk this thing here because some people they ask me, I know they feel because if they ask me say Shakara, you never see marry at this age. To come explain to you, go add me.
Yeah.
You understand? So this is just a summary of the whole thing.
Wow.
Me, I don't get regret. I wish I had married when I was a bit younger. Then my children don't grow.
Yeah.
But I was seeking for a better life for the children.
Wow.
So I don't get any regret. I meant good for my unborn kids.
Yeah.
But if it don't happen like that, within Nigeria here,
they will
still born the children.
Yeah.
I try for now, Kasina they come, so I try for now. I won't put on that for
that side.
Though. But so
don't
they grow, they come.
Yeah.
Also, if you want go later, you find your way.
Wow.
So
it's okay. It's okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will see you into another break. All right, don't forget, so we're sitting here with MC Shakara, one of Nigeria's finest comedian. We don't try for the industry. Ruggedpastor, my name. At the show na Comedy Clinic, 89.9 Yanga FM, the station we sabi. We dey come back, not go anywhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're sitting here at 89.9. Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here we do. All right. Comedy Clinic. Now in the show. Check your time. And at 7:42. 18 minutes remain. For 8 o'clock to sit down, cross the leg, the chombole and fish with shade mineral. Ruggedpastor. Now my name be that. But if you're a fine woman, just call me, I'm a sugar. Leg, laga, logo. If you too fine, you can say, oh, logo. I'm here with MC Shakara.
Are you the runner?
And I'm with the runner. It be they talk about business.
Yes.
Which other if you talk the business on air? Maybe you want to make it be private.
No, na Sansan business.
Oh,
na
wow.
Business.
And I said a very good business.
They do dredging.
Oh, you see, they give you time to do your comedy entertainment.
They give me time now. They give me time. I get my 2 boys where they hold ground for me in case I know the sites,
So, are you advising comedians to also venture into another business?
See, not venture. Dive, enter.
It's a very dive.
Dive, enter. Because see this industry, the guy tell you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Very dive, just dive in.
Enter, yes.
I noticed that you get a relationship with Ateketon. Yeah, Abi? Because they see the host a show.
Yes, are they host?
That their carnival. Yeah, yes. I don't see for the carnival.
I know I'm, but no be like close like that. But na person will love me, and anytime we see me I know they like.
That's King Ateketon.
King Ateketon, I know I'm one-on-one. Anytime we get events, I will go, say in a king.
Yeah.
I know if you call him every day, say my guy.
Yeah.
All those kind of things. But anytime we working relationship, very good working relationship.
Yeah.
He's a very great guy.
Yeah. Because I be like you get Port Harcourt, like you start something.
They born me for Port Harcourt.
Now I won't talk because
they born me for Rumeme. Now Rumeme, they born me.
Chinekele.
Yes,
Rumeme.
Yes.
Are you serious? And I grew up in Rumokoro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, now we they call Rumeme girls, come sport things. You know those Rumeme girls, Rumokuta girls, or Mineke girls, all those girls things there. And I will be the boys there.
You know, for me, I don't really come stay Port Harcourt. When I was much younger,
okay, you can't come out.
Go village tomorrow, from village to Jos.
Okay. You got one, I think this comedian where they try now, MC Monica, it always talk good about you, say now you be person way helping career. If you briefly tell us on a relationship.
Am I picking now?
Yeah, because they always call you my papa, my father. Say now you help her.
Monica just the start comedy. I didn't be comedian. I just the 100 level for Niger Delta University for Baessa. Just write me from nowhere. Say you be comedian, they do show. One man come show. That's okay. How much you get? Me they no get money. I say who be this boy? You know that time be one of the hottest comedians there for the court. I go there to see my come show you no get money. I look which kind boy be this. I just shut up. The following morning, he come again. I say what did they do you? Cut long story short. I got the show. Yes.
Wow. Go support them.
Yes,
like that.
I go support them like that. Come back now. There, Papa and Pikin relationship
start. Wow.
You understand? So now me be the first comedian we give am big platform. To the public. Not be once, not be twice.
I think they always talk up. Say you really.
When I start to give a platform, he go come stage, go do well because no confidence.
Yeah.
He good.
Yeah, but never get confidence.
But never get confidence. So he go come the fear.
Child.
So I see the fear no go deliver well. So one will reach out because all of them with so many boys they stay with me. They stay my house. My house at a point, you know if you cook food, make the serve chops and later come say ma go take food again. No, as that food done, they must wash that pot. Yes, because na
community house.
Na community house. Na so my house take day.
Yeah.
You understand? And I'm very happy I lived that life because I impacted a whole lot of
people.
A whole lot of people. You understand? So like that. Cut long story short, Monica is
doing
one of
now.
the biggest comedian. He has been nominated for the best comedian in Africa.
Yeah.
They are doing the award in South Africa.
Wow, that's a good one. So that means I know say every joy of a papa na to see his son they do well. That means you are really excited that he's doing this well. But I hear somebody make one statement. I don't know whether you feel bad for that statement.
No,
for Eko Hotel, right?
Eko Hotel, yes.
Somebody one comedian.
Now the stalker. No need to say one comedian because he said it on a public. Or the international stage because any show they do for Eko Hotel
now the biggest show for this country with that.
People they stream live, people they watch from America, they watch from UK.
What really happen?
So if you feel I don't know, he has always been doing that. He go look for any opportunity when you get to take step on my toes, you understand?
Child.
And they do that me, I take jokes too. When he starts the matter, I take him as joke because he starts your son. Then they do show for Eko Hotel now. You be timekeeper. I laugh. You understand? Because now me they make sure say you use your time on stage. Well, if you they delay because say Monica, you still be like small boy.
If it control them.
They call they tell you say
you don't do time up.
So now me now,
culture
will feel meet the time.
Yeah.
So the time they face them for stage. Yeah. They go don't finish the read 0-0. They still they perform. So me go come front, come tell you say.
Time up.
So now you can do that and say your son they do show for Eko Hotel. Now you be timekeeper. I laugh. I think I laugh because immediately the thing rhymed because I was actually keeping the time and he made that joke. I laugh. But you know where I converse. Now when he come use them as a case study.
Ooh.
Yes, he went ahead and said, waiting on a learn from this situation now. Because this is a life lesson. What do you learn from this? In life, overtaking is allowed. See the small boy yesterday, where the follow you don't overtake.
Chai.
I took offense. I say, man, you are not sound. If person wey sound, wey be say well, the person wey normal person no go make that kind statement. So I don't think I say this is somebody to avoid. This one no be normal person. Something is wrong with this person.
But you approach him after the event?
No. I just said to my came to my social media and then I just said some things. Because I don't get any business with him. I don't want to go meet him. Go to get one-on-one with him. You understand? Yeah.
Oh man! All right, ladies and gentlemen. They say who no go, no go. No, you don't. Who no go, no go, no. All right, we'll enter this break. When we come back, we'll end the show today because MC Shakara gets something where they come up. We'll also talk about that before we go. Don't go nowhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen. At this particular time, it had me to say goodbye. Because I know say they enjoy yourself. Anywhere you there now, whether you there for house, they listen to us, or you there inside your car, or you there anywhere, you go don't laugh. You suppose to enjoy. If you don't laugh, that means you need it's a spiritual matter. It's no longer a physical matter. Because for me, I had fun, and I know say you too, you had fun because MC Shakara, he finished work. Thank you so much. MC Shakara, your event, like you get show and
Yeah, Shakara and the gang. Now, you know, that my normal festival will happen every year.
Every year,
and
Shakara and the gang.
Shakara and the gang. This year on November 23rd.
Oh, November 23rd.
Now for Swiss International Hotel, we did for VGC.
Okay.
Yeah, so please, I beg, Mona, help me. Forget all these veterans way in the take introduce me since. I need help. Please come buy tickets, support me.
Yeah.
On the 23rd of November.
Please.
It's going to be fun. They are pure comedy.
Please come out and support MC Shakara.
Swiss International Hotel, VGC.
Confirm.
Yes.
All right, you don't hear them. Come out and show some love. If you get people around you, carry them come the show. Because the last editions, people will come, they always testify, say, wow, this is pure comedy, pure laughter. And it no go bad if you end the year with laughter. You understand? All right, thank you so much to everybody who listen to us. And I go, MC Shakara, I beg, what will be your last advice for your listeners, your fans, your lovers?
No, say last advice again.
Okay, for the show.
For the show. I don't get opportunity to give advice again.
No, for the show.
For the show. Okay.
Yeah, your last advice for the show.
As I did say, I define who go see advise me.
Okay.
On how to be like them Tony Lumelu, them Otedola, them Dangote, and those advice I define now. If you define advice for me, Mr. I'm busy looking for advice. But nevertheless, let me say this to everybody out there that is looking forward to a good life. And I say good life because many people, they focus on wealth. Not be wealth, be good life. You know, you want to be a good life, be a good person.
Be a good person, wow.
Be a good person and leave the rest. You know what it takes to be a good person. Do those things where go make you a good person. And then God will answer your prayers. Wow,
I think this one sweet me.
Yes.
All right, if just take this one very important. Be a good person because being a good person, they pay in the sight of man and God. All right, thank you so much. How they will follow you on top of your social media handles?
Yes, so at MC Shakara Comedian.
Okay.
Yes, on Instagram. Follow me there, you know, and then from there will lead to many other places.
All right, you don't hear them now at MC Shakara Comedian. Thank you so much, boss, for coming through.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you. And we believe say anytime we want you, you go face to come again.
Yes,
thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Yanga FM. Thank you. God bless all the listeners. In fact, all the listeners from now till December, that thing you are praying for will come to pass.
Amen, man of God.
Thank you. Can you bring out your offering now? Bring out a seed to the man of God. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love you guys. Bye.
All right, thank you. God bless you all for joining us on top of the show today. You know, as usual, I love you for real. Okay, Ruggedpastor, I'm a sugar, legal lager. Now my name be that. Join me tomorrow, 9 to 11 p.m. on Top Compound Wahala. Me, myself, Ruggedpastor, and Baby Lawyer. But for now, I say goodbye. Enjoy yourself. Don't go nowhere because 89.9 Yanga FM still they give unto you the way you want them. All right, let's go there.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.